In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scaffold a new project in Cursor. First, open Cursor. So we'll use the AI chat to generate the project structure. Open the AI chat panel and simply describe what you want to build. For example, create a Next.js project with Tailwind CSS and authentication, or set up a Node.js Express API with TypeScript. Cursor will then generate the full project structure for you, including folders, configuration files, and starter code. If you prefer using the terminal, you can also run standard scaffolding tools like npx create nextapp or npm create vd at latest, and then use Cursor AI to extend or modify the project. Once the files are generated, review the structure Cursor created and click Apply to add everything to your workspace. From there, your project is ready to run and build on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.